Today I will be reviewing the Gentex GC3 12WR. Okay guys, today's review about the Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, model number GEC3 12WR. So before this thing starts, I'm going to show you this one. So right here, this Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, it looks like it's different comparing to the Gentex Commander 2s. But this one right here, it's on 30 candela because that's what the candela is on the strobe light. So basically, this candela is for the strobe light, which is right here. And as you can see, so right here, so some kind of Gentex Commander 2s do not have multi-candelons on them, and usually, if it's a gentex Commander 3, which means that the gentex commanders, the Commander 3 has the multi-candela settings, which is right there. So if the gentex Commander 3 might be an indoor use, that means it might be multi-candela. Or if it's an outdoor use, that means it might be the gentex Commander 2, which is an outdoor rated alarm. And the Gentex Commander 3 is an indoor alarm. So this is the indoor use only alarm that you have. So right here, this horn strobe, the Gentex Commander 3, has the horn right here. This horn right there, this grill. And usually this horn has the hugest horn, as you can see, which is right here. And actually, this Gentex Commander 3 has some kind of, this one can have switchable tones. Like, it can do chime continuous, whoop, code 3, mechanical horn, and temporal code 3 horn. Might be. Or if it's a Gentex Commander, or if it's a Gentex Commander 1, it could be actually different. Right, which is right there because you're gonna have fire alerting on the unit instead of the turn plate. See that? And usually, and also the Gentex Commander 1 will have the small horn grill, which is the Commander 1 can also have the small smoke alarm noise on it. And I never had the Gentex Commander 1 before. But instead I got a Gentex Commander 3, which is an old one. So this alarm is made in February 2003. Maybe it's a 20 years old alarm. But why not? So some kind of Gentex Commander 3s can have a green strobe, red strobe, and yellow strobe, and blue strobe. So, yeah. And also the white strobe, even though that the light is clear, as you can see. So, yeah. It's really cool. So for now, let's see how we wire up this unit. But before we get into that, we're going to go ahead and check out the dip switches. Here are the dip switches right there. So basically, if you want to change the tone to code 3 or something, you can do that here. And here's the candela selector. So we have the first number is 15, and the second one is 30, 60. And this one, the third number is 60. And also there are 275 candelas, which is right there. But on the bottom, which is down there, could be saying 110 candela. But yeah. So let's go ahead and wire up the unit. But sorry about that, the fire alarm is dirty because, as you can see that? So you guys can't see it because the camera cannot focus well. Yep, you guys can't see it. Hold on, let me. Yep, right there. See that? Right there. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and wire up the unit now. Alright guys, this is going to be really loud. So as you can see, I wired up my simplex 2099-9799 pulse station, and it's connected to my gentex Commander 3 horn strobe. It's going to be really loud, I tell you. Alright, let's see, the wires connected. Yep, wires are connected and everything's getting wired. Alright, let's wire this. Or must say, let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. So on the inside, this pulse station has a button on the inside, so that means it will release the horn strobe. But we must go ahead and do it now. In 3, 2, 1. There you go. It sounds working. So let me connect these batteries again just to make sure I connect them right. I won't be able to do it. There you go. Okay. Let me go ahead and switch the tones on. I'm going to go ahead and pull it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I set the fire alarm to code 3 chime. It's really quiet, so we're going to go ahead and pull the fire alarm, set up the horn strobe, or I can say, set it off. But without further ado, here we go. Oh, the key's not even in, guys. There you go. Okay, guys, so our last version, we're going to go ahead and key activated it. Without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's that. Alright, so that is my review about my gentex Commander 3.